Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Taylor series. So now I will show you how to answer. Find the first four terms of the Taylor series of this function, and we have s equals to negative number 6. The formula of this situation that should be like this. So I will put about 8 equal to negative number 6. So I will write the formula in here. Here is about the formula. So we need to find first, second, and third derivative. About first derivative, we know that this is about negative 1 over s squared. About second derivative, we have 2 over s to the power of 3. And third derivative, we have negative number 6 over s to the power of 4. And now we have 8 equal to negative number 6. So we can put in here. And now we have negative number 6. We put for 1 over s. So we have negative 1 over 6. The next one, we put negative number 6 in here. So we will have about negative 1 over 36 over 1 factorial. And we have s minus a with negative number 6. So we have s plus a. That's it, s plus 6. The next one, we put negative number 6 in here. So we will have about negative number 2 over 216. And the last one, that's about 1296 over 3 factorial. And we have s plus 6 to the power of 3. Now we simplify. Because the question just mentioned about first 4 terms. So we just write about first 4 terms in here. Because we still about another series, so that's why I write this one in here. Question number 2. Use your answer to estimate the value of f of negative number 6. So if we put negative number 6 in here, So you got about 0 in here. So we just have this one left. And f of negative number 6 equal to negative 1 over 6.